Hi, this is Mark McCafferty from McCafferty Funeral and Cremation. This video is to explain direct cremation charges and services and what's included and how much you're going to have to pay for direct cremation. Now, direct cremation is the simplest form of final services that our funeral home offers. There's not a public viewing or a service with direct cremation. It's just simple and economical. Direct cremation consists of picking up the remains and transferring them into our care from a hospital or a nursing home or hospital or a medical examiner's office inside the city limits of Philadelphia. We perform the cremation on our premises. We're the only funeral home in the city of Philadelphia that has a crematory on site. So at no point in time is your loved one out of our care. We're a family-run business. Our staff is going to handle every part of the cremation, including the transfer, the cremation, and giving the ashes back to you in the plastic urn or any other urn that you choose. A few days later, the cremated remains are returned to you after cremation takes place. You pick the ashes up back at our funeral home where the cremation is going to occur, and that's also where you're going to meet us to sign all the paperwork and have the funeral arrangement and funeral conference completed. We place a death notice onto our website announcing the death, which you can post on social media. You can forward to anybody that you feel should have that information that the person passed away, and it's a good way of getting the information out there. Death certificate copies are $20 each, and there's an $80 fee to file the death certificate in Center City. So as an example, if you want one death certificate and a person passes away in a hospital or at the medical examiner's office inside the city limits of Philadelphia, the total charge will be $1,095. If the person passed away as a veteran or the spouse of a veteran, those death certificates are free of charge. There are some other circumstances that would require additional fees, although it is our experience that about 90% of the deaths that we handle occur in hospitals or they're at the medical examiner's office. Some occur in nursing homes, hospice facilities, and residences. For that service, there are additional fees that would be assessed if the death occurs in any of those facilities. For a nursing home or a hospice unit, there's an additional fee of $300, and for a residence, there's an additional fee of $400. That is because our staff is available 24 hours a day, every day of the year. They are on call, and when something happens where a person passes away in one of those facilities, we have to go out immediately. So it is considered an emergency service, and that's exactly what it is that you would have to pay. If you wish to purchase an urn, we have a large display room with all kinds of beautiful products for you to choose from. We have full-size urns, we have mini keepsake urns, which are small urns. We also have jewelry that holds cremated remains. And we also have what's called art glass, where some of your loved ones' remains are actually inside of the glass when the glass is produced. They are beautiful, very, very beautiful. We have a large display room right next to our arrangement office. So when you come in and sit down with one of us, I can show you exactly what it is that we have, or someone from our staff could do so. As with all the options that are presented to you, our staff will assist you in trying to figure out what's going to work best for you. We're here to help you figure out what you think would represent the wishes of your loved one best. And we're going to sit down and go over everything that is going to accomplish that goal for you. If you have any questions about this video or any other services that we provide, you can always call our office at 215-624-4200 and have a conversation, or set up an appointment to come in anytime you want. You can also go on our website, www.phillycremation.com, and you could read about all the other different services that we provide, and it also lists the direct cremation services and what's included in the price that I just explained. Thank you.